We're here with Nuchain, and
Right.
tell me what your name is.
So I'm Arjun Mishra. I'm the co-founder of Nuchain.
Got it.
And I'll give you a brief background about myself. The last project we did was in India. We got the telecom operators to make it mandatory. So the telecom regulator to make it mandatory for all telecom operators to use blockchain. So Vodafone, Airtel, all the operators in India used to use our blockchain. We used to process 55 billion transactions a month.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean that's a big number. The entire crypto industry does not process so many transactions. So we learned there, and then we started Nuchain. We decided that the entire enterprise market needed something like this. You cannot bank the unbanked without having a throughput capacity to actually handle that many transactions. So that is why Nuchain, which is now the fastest blockchain in the world, is coming in. We process around 200,000 transactions per second here, if you can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and it's a layer zero. So,
Yeah.
how many chains are you initially going to roll out?
So our plan is to roll out 20 chains, working with 20 very special, blockchain builders, and hopefully, there's no limit to it. But yeah, initial plan is to go ahead with 20 chains that we own.
And what is like your premier chain that you're rolling out with? Like in the first 20, what is like a really important premier chain?
So one of the cases that we'll be coming out with is one of the telecom cases, wherein we'll be implementing again blockchain as a use case for enterprise messaging. Yeah.
Okay, got it. And what about for like payments, financial transactions?
So payments is
settlements?
another case that we are currently in talks with. We're in talks with multiple payment players in India and outside, wherein we are. We are still in talks on onboarding them. Yeah.
And do you have EVM compatibility?
So no, this project currently will not have EVM compatibility. It's built on Haskell, right?
Okay.
But what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a product called New Code, which will create a GUI layer for all of these developers who want to build on top of us to be able to build it. So it will be like a drag and drop. You put items here, you put items there, and you'll be able to build dApps on our blockchain.
Are you developing a bridge?
So yeah, that'll act as a bridge as well. So yeah.
Got it. And what else do we need to know about
So
Nuchain?
just to cut it brief, our goal is to empower the developer community to be able to build real-world applications on top of it. Our focus area is going to be fintech services, telecom services, government, e-governance. Shifting the real data, which has big issues, right? The real cases. We're trying to solve them, and that is what we're trying. Yeah.
And what would you say differentiates Nuchain from other layer zero solutions that are out there?
I think it's the throughput, right? If you want to help others build a blockchain, your own blockchain should be very fast. You should have the scalability. Otherwise, you're giving cheaper solutions to other people. So that's why we build the fastest blockchain. If you can see, Solana has increased because of its capacity, and it's still struggling in certain number of areas. So our layer 0, layer 1 will help cross those challenges.
And are you planning like grants, some kind of funding for new developers?
So yes, we have $5 million total grants. We're writing checks from $25,000 to $50,000 depending upon the case and the problems and whatever they're solving. We currently have around 15 portfolio companies. We would love to expand it to 100, the size of 100. We would like to expand our family, and that's what we're working with.
Got it. Okay. One last question. So, because I've studied something called like the ONDC.
Right. Yes. Oh, nice. ONDC.
I know. So, are you guys going to integrate into the ONDC?
In fact, do you know? Sorry, I cut you there. The guy who is also, working with me in this tech side, he's actually the chief architect of ONDC. So, we'll be so we're not just based out of India. We're also based out of Dubai and Malaysia. So we have a partnership going on with Malaysia Development Economic Corporation, MDEC, MDEC. We have multiple partnerships with government going all across. Specifically in India, yes, we will look to partner with ONDC and other UPI payment interface, multiple key use cases.
Got it. Well, this sounds like a great project. So thanks so much for your time.
Thank you so much, Dan. We will be in touch. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for that.